In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use mods in Far Cry 3. Check my video description for this Far Cry mod installer. Scroll down, download this. Download for Windows contain only mod installer without any mods. Select this link and download. And check my video description for this Racket mod download link. Scroll down. Download Racket mod contain only Racket mod. Select the link and download this mod as well. Once you downloaded these, I click on the mod installer and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and open the mod installer. Open this fc3 mod installer.exe. Just open it, then select the language and select continue. Select OK and navigate to game folder. Far Cry 3 bin Far Cry 3.exe and select OK. Now you need to drag and drop the package. Go back to downloads. I click on this Racket and WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Drag and drop this pin inside this. Do you want to add select yes? Select OK option. And in this list, you need to choose the mod you like to install. To install mod, just select the mod and you will get this tick. Once you turn on the mods you like to use, select this install option and wait for this install done. Package install successful. Click on OK. If you want to uninstall, then select the uninstall mods option to uninstall all mods. And now you can start the game. And as you can see, the mods all working. I installed a character switch mod. Look at the hands, it's different. And I installed a shotgun less spread mod. And as you can see, the area spread is less. And mods all working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.